If you're looking for a quick, versatile, and highly efficient juicer, the Homever high-speed centrifugal juicer could be the best choice for you. With its wide 65mm feeder chute, the fruit doesn't need to be cut into tiny slices. It only takes an instant to squeeze all of your hard fruits and vegetables. With 2 different speeds, it could handle a lot of different fruits and vegetables. The slower speed works best for soft fruits such as grapes, pears, and strawberries, while the faster speed works better for harder items such as carrots. It features a stylish design made from durable stainless steel. The transparent cover allows you to monitor the juicing process. Also, it is equipped with a large capacity 500ml juice container, 1.5-liter pulp collector, and has an anti-drip spout. It is one of the easiest high-speed centrifugal juicers to operate. Assembles and deassembles quickly and easily for stress-free cleaning. There's no better way to start the day than with a refreshing, healthy glass of freshly squeezed juice. For a quick, versatile, and highly efficient centrifugal juicer, choose the Homever high-speed juicer.